and Pfeiffer GTV. Please like, comment down, subscribe after watching.
What letter is that? B. Oh, saan si B? Baliktad. Baliktad. Tanggal mo muna, baliktad. Ganyan, yay. Oh, next. D. Oh. D. Anong letter yan? D. Oh, alin pa? What letter is that? What letter is that? F? P? Galing ah. What letter is that? Q? Ay, dalawa yung Q. Akin na tong... What letter is that? Oh, Q. Pareho sila. Q. Oh, saan yung R? Lagay R doon. Saan tong R? Hindi, dyan. Lagay mo doon sa puzzle. Oh, asan R? Oh, saan si R? What's that? X? What's that? What letter is this? J? Yan. What letter is this? Ha? Yung H niya talaga, ha? What letter is that? Yung engine baliktad. What's that? X? What's that? B? What's that? Wa? Wa? Galing ah. Opo.
Siya yung mag-aayos.
Yeah. What's that? C. Galing ah. Oh, what's next? Ayaw mo tanggal. What's that? T. Eh? Saan yan? Galing gray namin ah. Oh, what's next? Oh. Oh, wala, extra lang yan. What's that? Chi? What's that?
Bilis na maglagay ah.
Eh?
What's that?
Ala, parang kulang. G? Patingin doon sa box, anak ko. Akin na.
Wait lang, mahal ko.
Yung N mo, baliktad. Ayusin
Oh,
mo.
ito. Saan
N.
to? Balik mo, dali. Huwag mong tanggalin.
Baliktad,
What is
N.
that?
Ay. Ayusin mo. Kaya mo siya, oh. Oh,
Lagay mo
ayun.
in.
Oh, ito pa, may
What letter is
Kita na
this?
ni ate. Oh, what's that?
Ito.
Ah. Sunod.
Dali na, you read na. This one.
What letter is that?
Q.
Oh. Oh, what's next? K. Very good naman talaga yan. Ano yan? E. Sunod. J. Yay! Dan na yung bunso isay. O, sing ka na.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.